Hi everybody, welcome to Dojo Go. I'm Master Kelly. I want to welcome you guys to this YouTube lesson. Now before we get started, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Now let's get started with our warm-up. Hi everybody, welcome to Dojo Go. Now before we start today's lesson, let's get started with the warm-up. We're going to count to 10 in Korean today, okay? Repeat after me. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, very good job. Alright, let's start rotating our arms. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. The other way now. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. Alright, let's swing our arms inside and out like this. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, good. Let's start rotating our neck like this. Make sure it's nice and loose. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Going the other way. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, very good job. Alright, now this time, here's what we're going to do. We're going to start putting our hands on our hips. We're going to rotate our shoulders forward. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Now going the other way. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome job. Alright, let's take this arm. Let's go across our body. Pick it up like this, stretching it just like that. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. The other way. We're going to keep going. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. Alright, let's take one hand like we're scratching our back like this. Take the other hand, push our elbow down. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Let's switch to the other side. Keep counting. Ready? 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. Alright, let's go and start stretching out our legs a little bit. And put your feet together, hands on your knees. We're going to bounce down and come back up. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. Good job. 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. Alright, let's go ahead and have our feet apart just like this. Hands on the knees. Turn our shoulder to one side. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Switch sides. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. Alright, now we're going to bend one knee, pick one foot up like this. Ready? I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Switch sides. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good. Now have both legs straight like this. Good. Make it star shaped like this. We're going to go down to one side. And we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Go to the other side. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. Now this time cross your arms, head down to the middle. And we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. Awesome job, you guys. Alright, shake out your hands, shake out your legs. Good. Alright, get started with the lesson. Jariet? Kenya. Alright, guys, let's go ahead and start the lesson. Alright, guys, welcome to the next lesson. And this lesson today, we're going to combine the horse stance, the back stance, and the front stance all put together. Okay, we're going to make a combination and a pattern. Okay, let's practice that together. Jariet? Kenya? Awesome. Alright, everyone show me 준비. Awesome job. Alright, here's what we're going to do. We're going to practice crossing this arm on top. We're going to go low block. Good. And now from here, we're going to cross underneath, side block. And then from here, we're going to aim, punch. Okay, so I know it's a long combination, but let's practice that together. Ready? So again, we're going to go low block, cross underneath, side block. This hand is on a rib cage. We're going to aim and we're going to touch this foot. Throw your horse stance reverse punch. Okay, let's do that again. Ready? Back to paro, 준비. Good. Low block, side block, punch. Awesome. All right, let's do it again. Let's do it a little faster now. Ready? 준비 and low block, side block, reverse punch. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Again, let's do it again. Ready? And low block, side block, reverse punch. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Let's do it again. Ready? And low block, side block, reverse punch. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. All right, let's try the other side too. Gotta work both sides, okay? All right, ready? Paro. Good. And low block, side block, reverse punch. Uh-oh. Did I make a mistake? I did. What did you catch? What did I do wrong? That's right. I gotta aim with this hand. Okay, let's do that together. Ready? So low block. Good job paying attention. Side block. Aim with this hand, right? This foot touches. And middle punch. Good. Good job. Good. Again, low block. Side block. Aim. Reverse punch. Awesome. Good. Let's do that again. Nice and slow. Low block. Side block. Aim. Reverse punch. Nice. Good job. High five. Awesome. All right. So I'm going to give you a quiz. You ready for take a quiz today? Nah, I don't believe you. Can you say yes, sir? Awesome. Now, you're not getting graded on this quiz. Okay? Now, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to call out the stance. And when I call out the stance, I want you to show me what your stance looks like, and then I'll tell you if you're correct or not. Okay? So let's see. Show me a front stance. Okay, good. So if you did this, you're correct. Awesome. All right, show me a back stance. Okay, some of you guys are correct. This one, right? This is your back stance. One foot pointing this way, one foot that way, right? Show me a horse stance. Good. So if you did this one, that means you're good. Awesome. So if you memorized those stances, great. Now if you didn't, it's okay. Rewind the video, watch it over again. Focus on lessons a bit more, so that way you can remember all the stances, okay? You guys did a fantastic job. Chariot? Kanye. Awesome, good work. Awesome job, you guys. Let's see what our Tabata exercises will be for today. All right, looks like these are the 3 exercises we're going to do. Now remember, Tabata is 20 seconds of go, followed by 10 seconds of rest. So make sure when it's time to go, you push yourself as hard as you can, and when it's time to rest, take a deep breath, catch your breath, so you're ready to attack it again, okay? I'll see you guys there. Great job, everyone. High five. Awesome. I know that workout might have been pretty tough. Now, hey, you guys did an awesome job. Now, the lesson isn't over yet, so I'm going to give you guys about a minute to take a quick water break. When you come back, make sure you guys continue with the lesson. I'll see you guys soon. Hey parents, are you looking for a way to help your child get more active, more confident, more resilient, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, creator of Dojo Go, and today I would like to introduce to you our very own app called Dojo Go TV. Our app will give you access to a library of different courses updated throughout the year for your kids to enjoy full-length lessons away from YouTube. This means no ads, no suggested videos, and your membership continues to support Dojo Go content. Each series inside the app takes your kids on an interactive story to help them not only learn the moves from martial arts, but also have lots of fun along the way.